And so it is as if we were living in the time of Aristotle, and he had a description of the sky, and he could name the stars, he could name the planets, but he had no idea what made the sun made the sun shine. We are sort of in the same situation now, where we are discovering planets around other stars, and one of the questions is there life on those other planets or not? It's a very old question, but for the first time we can actually now study other planets and see if there's evidence of biological activity. And so this is a very active area in astronomy today. It's called exobiology. And I think one of the interesting developments in the last 20 years is that there was a lot of scientific research in what's called artificial life. And many artists, in fact, have, using media and computers, developed artificial life systems. So they have been able to, they are studying not exobiology, but other forms of life using artificial life technologies. One of the questions I like to ask, as cultural people, we listen to people, we talk to people, we look at people, and using that information, we make conclusions about the person in front of us. If I just took the information coming from this computer, I had a big blank screen, all I'm getting is the information from the computer, would I be able to create a mental image of what a computer is, or how it is, or what makes it function, if the only information I had was the internet? That's a little bit how we are with life forms on other planets. And so it's sort of an interesting question of how, as people in the cultural world, we are experts at interpreting cultural messages. And we tend to view the computer as something which is not organic, not a life form. But if I was looking at the Earth and looking at the millions of computers on the planet now, they're all generating language, they're generating images, it would be clear that by looking at that cultural information, one would form a certain opinion about what is going on this planet. So I think there are many ways today where artists can get very deeply involved with biological questions, not only in the laboratory, but also in artificial life systems or in ecology and the environment.